Yoga career. My name is Amoding Enid Mercy from Ngora district. I am 21 years old, pursuing a Bachelor of Law at Uganda Christian University, main campus, Mukono. My name Amoding was given to me by my grandmother because of its meaning, a wise and tolerant person who finds pleasure in solving problems. Under Iteso and other cultures in Uganda, a clan is the next unit of cultural identity after a family. I hail from the Ikarebwok clan, a group of warriors, fighters for the Iteso. Because of their brilliant and brave skills, they were the group that provided security to the Iteso. Times of conflict and attacks from the Karamojong who used to come and steal cattle from the Iteso. The word Ikarebwok refers to a group of people who give shouts of victory when battles are won. So I hail from a group of warriors who fought for the security and peace of their people. Ngora district is a district located in the eastern of Uganda and was established by the Ugandan Parliament on the 1st of July 2010. If you're someone looking for rocks, Ngora is a lovely place to go and venture and tour rocks. One very special rock is Ngora Rock, popularly known by the locals as Moru Otuke. The locals venture there for spiritual purposes where they go to worship their gods. Another very popular tourist attraction is in my village Mukura, Lake Bisina, where various activities are carried out like fishing. There you'll find tilapia fish that makes very nice, lovely fish sauce. I believe that when you have a purpose and a passion, you must act on it. And my purpose and passion are to serve people in whatever way I can. So when a platform like Miss Tourism Iteso arises, who am I not to believe that when you have a passion and purpose, you must act on it. Miss Tourism Iteso is a platform that I want to pursue my passion and purpose of service to the people. Not only do I want to showcase my culture to my people, but I also want to show it to the world and fight cultural degradation. Atesot, emuria, koliayi.